These are the Harbor Freight trim and molding plastic prying tools. I bought them probably 3 years ago for under 10 bucks at Harbor Freight Tools, and I haven't really used them a lot. The reason being is I want to use them on interior parts like this, painted plastic, and stuff that's really stuck, like this top cover ends up getting scratches on the painted surface. You gotta pry, you really gotta dig in there, and the tool is just a little too hard of a plastic, and the edges are not quite finished enough. They're a little bit sharp, I gotta say, and end up hurting the painted plastic. So I think they're probably better to remove door panels and stuff if you're prying on painted metal. But for the painted plastic, you really need this and a rag or microfiber to protect the painted surface. So if you watch out, they're a good tool, but definitely not what I thought they'd be, to just be able to pry on anything and not hurt it. That's it. Thanks for watching.